Let's go on a journey into sound consciousness, to be more conscious of who you are, what you are, why you are, to release your regrets and your worries, deeply relax, rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Hi, I'm Mickey Hart of the Grateful Dead, Dead & Company, and Planet Drone. Welcome to our Commune course, Drones for Sonic Bathing. Zakir Hussain and I wanted to share these drones with as many people as we could. We feel they're healing agents and a powerful tool for meditation. These brain-entraining drones were played on the beam, which is a Pythagorean Monochord. The beam has been part of me and my work for decades. For those of you who have ever experienced drums in space as part of a Grateful Dead concert, this is the culmination of that creative process. All the paintings that you see are of my art. They represent the visual component to my sonic world. When I paint these creations, I vibrate them into existence. I shake and move them to create wonderful organic patterns. Sometimes I use bass speakers to play the music into the paintings. So the vibration of the music creates another art on top of the original art. This course is for anyone who wants to raise their consciousness. Really, that's what this program is meant for. You don't have to know anything about music. You don't have to know anything about drones. All you have to do is relax and breathe and listen. Deep listen. The drone affects your heart, and it affects your mind and your consciousness. And that's really what this course is designed for. It's the inner dance that we're after here in our spirit. This is spirit music. Once you feel the power of the drone, you'll know that it takes you into the moment, into the now, where everything is possible. Freedom. You find out who you really are in the now. You are calmer. Your brain is happy. Because being in the moment is healing. Drone on. Drone on.